upgrading your furnace but unsure if the investment pays off? With high-efficiency models boasting up to 98% AFUE, annual fuel utilization efficiency, many Canadian homeowners are asking, is it truly worth it? Let's break it down. A high-efficiency furnace typically has a fuel efficiency rating of 90% or higher. In Canada, the minimum standard is 92%, but many modern models exceed 95%. Key features include two-stage or modulating gas valves, variable speed blowers, sealed combustion systems, and ENERGY STAR certification. High-efficiency furnaces often come with a higher upfront cost. However, the long-term savings can offset the initial investment. For instance, upgrading from an older 80% AFUE furnace to a 96% model can save you approximately $240 annually, totaling around $2,400 over 10 years. These savings can be even greater when factoring in government rebates and reduced repair costs. Beyond savings, high-efficiency furnaces offer enhanced comfort. They provide more consistent temperatures, quieter operation, improved humidity control, and better air filtration. These benefits are especially valuable for homes with children, seniors, or individuals with respiratory concerns. It's important to consider potential drawbacks. High-efficiency furnaces have a higher upfront cost, typically $1,500 to $2,500 more than the standard model. They also feature more complex technology, which may lead to a higher repair cost if not properly maintained. Additionally, they may not be suitable for very small spaces or homes with inadequate insulation. A high-efficiency furnace is a worthwhile investment if you plan to stay in your home for over 5 years, your current furnace is over 15 years old or frequently needs repairs, you're looking to reduce energy bills and your carbon footprint, you're upgrading your HVAC system for smart home integration or improved air quality, still unsure if a high-efficiency furnace is right for your home? At Affordable Comfort, we're here to help you make an informed decision. Contact us today for a personalized cost-benefit analysis tailored to your home's needs. From everyone at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.